Welcome back to Wavy Garage. It is 108 degrees outside and we are trying to get things done. It's been a while since I've been here last and everything's pretty much the same. I got a new bolt inside that thermostat housing. The bolt last time I was here, when I took it out, this one broke off in there, but it was just this tiny little piece. I thought I was gonna have to tap and drill it and stuff, but luckily no. There's this tiny little piece still in there, and I was able to just get it out because the bolt was so rusted. So luckily we have this truck over here it's a little hard body, and the whole bed is full of bolts, and I was able to find a bolt pretty easily. So that's the bolt bin over there. Basically got this radiator hose I took from my stash of 240SX parts and cut it. Got a decent little angle. It's got a little bit of a bend in it, like too much of a bend, but it'll be all right. Well, now that this is all sealed up, I'm gonna throw that big bracket back on, those two head bolts, and theoretically this thing should be able to start up. I'm gonna prime the fuel pump this time with a bunch of fuel in that line, and hopefully we get something. Let's see. Wish me luck. So this is how dusty it is still. Again, I mean, look how much this is. It's crazy. This is. So we've got fuel now. I hooked the exhaust back up. That's for you, Tata. And it should run and idle to an extent right now. So let's see. Yeah, buddy. I think we're back on 6 cylinders right now. Woo. Alright, I think we got some valve sticking, but that's good because, I mean, it's not that good, but I think that we can get that fixed, you know, just by running. So I threw some Berryman's. That's some good stuff. We're not sponsored, but it's 100 years of this stuff. That's what it says on the can, and I ain't gonna lie, it works good. Thing is actually idling right now. It's not happy. Oh, definitely not happy. Backfiring a couple times. I'm sure we got a stuck valve or something, but not bad. All right, I'm back over here. Didn't get much done last week because last week we just got stuck. Like right there, you know that spot. This week, it's pretty late in the day, but we got the rest of the day, which is actually like a couple hours of sunlight. So over here, we've been working with, we still haven't put the belt on the water pump or the alternator or anything yet. We haven't even tested to see if the alternator mod works yet. Today I think we're gonna test that for sure. We just need to fix this bracket right here. There we go. This bracket right here needs to be trimmed on the bottom side because it's hitting these fins. Once we can do that, tighten this up and put water in it, and then find out how many places it leaks. All right, I guess it's officially monsoon season out here, eh? Because it is raining. And we're trying to get stuff done. All right, I just got the belt on. Alternator is nice and tight. Belt is tight. Finally made some progress. That should be the end of that. And it's super ghetto. That's not permanent. We just need to get it going. But yeah, we're almost there. Now let's put the battery on it. Some more water in it. Maybe a clamp on that one. And we'll start this thing up. Alright, I've never done this before, so we're gonna see if this works. It's been a week. Trying. Well, sort of got it right here. So it's not liking it. Hey, little baby. It's okay, come here. It's okay, man. Hi. All right. Unfortunately, it's been a couple of weeks since I've been here last time. Last time I was here, I got the valve cover off and just kind of looked to see how bad it was. I think one of our valves is sticking, so we're gonna confirm that. I think I built the confidence to just do take one of the rockers off of whatever valve is sticking, get some pliers, and try and work that thing up and down until it's unstuck. Then we're probably just gonna assemble and torque by ear or something. We'll see. But all right, hopefully we can see which valves aren't moving. All right. I don't think this is gonna help it run any different, but at least it won't be leaking oil out the side. Looks like none of the valves are really sticking, so we will see. Seems like she's running a lot better. I don't know why. I'd assume because I like sprayed some of the oil galleys and around the valves and stuff, so I don't think that they were stuck on video that we could see, but who knows. So yeah, she seems like she's running good.